Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this 2015 Ford F-150 Crew Cab Lariat 4-wheel drive truck. This low-mileage, sophisticated and capable half-ton still has the remainder of its factory warranty. This lighter-weight, military-grade aluminum F-150 can handle a greater towing capacity and payload, boasts a significantly quicker acceleration, and is more frugal when it comes to fuel economy. Luxury Motorsports specializes in selling the highest quality pre-owned automobiles in Arizona while standing behind everything we sell. Under the hood of this one-owner, four-wheel drive is an EcoBoost 3.5-litre twin-turbocharged V6 engine, generating 365 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque, paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Properly equipped, it can tow up to a very impressive 12,200 pounds. EPA estimated fuel economy is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. At Luxury Motorsports, all vehicles go through a rigorous service inspection in our state-of-the-art service facility before being sold. This Lariat offers a tasteful, upscale and elegant interior with a luxury quiet cabin. A plethora of high-tech, comfort and convenience features including Bluetooth, backup camera and navigation, inspiring driver confidence with an impressive view, agile handling and precise and responsive steering. We encourage you to come and experience the potent performance of this Lariat for yourself. Luxury Motorsports is open 7 days a week. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.